All right, this is an Albatross at Lake Havasu, Arizona. And it had engine trouble, as you can see from that engine right there. So it got towed here from the water, and they're gonna repair the engine, and I'll get it back on the water and take off again. All right, it's a beautiful airplane. Nice glossy gray color. Man, it's gorgeous. Lake Havasu experience, bringing you more content that you can enjoy. Wherever I can find it, I'll bring it to you guys. So make sure you're following us. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like, leave us a comment. What do you think of this airplane? Have you ever flown on something like this? What do you think about it? Some of you old boys that have flown this or been around this type of airplane, let us know. That is so cool. The Albatross that broke at Lake Havasu. All right. Tell us what you know. Anything about this airplane or similar ones. All right. Lake Havasu experience out for now. See you on the next one.
Down by the waters of Havasu, where the desert meets the blue, an old albatross came gliding in like she'd done a time or two. But something wasn't right that day, her engine gave a cough. Now she's sitting in the state park lot, waiting to take back off. Silver wings on desert water, stories that the old birds tell, of days when Grumman built them strong and every flight was done so well. She's just resting for a moment till they get her running true. Then she'll rise above Lake Havasu, like she was born to do. I met a man there in the parking lot with grease beneath his nails. He said, "Son, I built the Goose back then, I know these old birds' tales." His eyes lit up like morning sun as he traced her silver frame. She's the Albatross's little sister, but they're cut from just the same. Silver wings on desert water, stories that the old birds tell, of days when Grumman built them strong and every flight was done so well. She's just resting for a moment till they get her running true. Then she'll rise above Lake Havasu, like she was born to do. From Long Island to the desert, these old birds have seen it all. Rescue missions, peaceful flights, they've answered every call. Now the mechanics are working hard with wrenches and with hope. Soon she'll fire up both engines, help this old bird learn to cope. And when she lifts off from the lake into that desert sky, she'll carry with her all our dreams of learning how to fly. Silver wings on desert water, stories that the old birds tell, of days when Grumman built them strong and every was done so well. Now she's ready for her moment, got her running good and true. Watch her rise above Lake Havasu, like she was born to do, like she was born to do. Born to fly, born to soar above Lake Havasu.